Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to share the tutorial how to use Google Classroom from your iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Google Classroom application. If you haven't installed it, you just need to go into the App Store and find out what the Google Classrooms and then install it on your phone. If you have no idea how the symbols of the application is like this, is such as a green board right there. Okay, I already installed my phone. Let's open it by click it and hold on. Okay, if you haven't started before, this is the looks of the Google Classroom. There is only one button on this screen. You just need to click it to access it, and now you just need to choose what account that you want to use for this Google Classroom. For example, I would like to use this, and after that you just need to click allow notifications. Okay, here you already create your Google Classroom account. So how to use Google Classroom as a platform for teaching? If you are a teacher, if you are using the Google Classroom as a teacher to teach your students, you just need to go click create a class. Create a class, and after that you just need to read the information that pop up on your screen, and then after that you just need to check this part, and after that click the continue. You just need to create the name of the class. For example, you just need to go click class math A. Okay, I'll let to make it like more organized. Okay, right there. And after that you can also add the sections. If you have no sections decided, you can also click Chrome. If you have like a lot of amount of students and you want to divide the students into several rooms, go decide it. And then you can also add a subject, but you can like add the subject letters too. Just need, after you finish everything, just go click create. Hold on, and now the classes is already set. You can invite your students by go click people here, and after that go click plus button or go click invite. Now you can just go click copy the link, and you can share the link into your another platform such as WhatsApp or Facebook or anything. Okay, and if you are a student, to use this Google Classroom to attending the class, you just need to go click plus button, and after that you just need to click join class, and make sure that you got the code from your teacher, and then you just need to enter the code here, and after that go click join. So that's all the way how to use this Google Classroom on your iPhone. If you find out this tutorial is got you so well, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.